Hi, and welcome to this lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about researching for keywords. And keywords are those words that you type in Google when you're searching for something in Google. You type in a keyword actually and you search for that thing. And what shows up are websites that contain that keyword. So if you're looking for, let's say, for example, math games for children, you're actually trying to find websites that contain math games for children. And not every website that contains math games for children is going to show up number one position or number two position. So when you look for keywords, you are trying to understand how easy it is as a web developer or as an SEO expert. You're trying to understand if it is easy to create content and rank in the first position on the first page of Google for that keyword. But keyword research is quite easy depending on how you approach it. And there are a lot of tools out there that we can use for keyword research. Something that is free is Google Keyword Planner. But Google Keyword Planner will not give you a lot of detail like tools like the one that I'm using today. And in today's lesson, we'll be using ubersuggest. So let's just dive into the lesson on keyword research. So let's say you were creating a website and you wanted to find a way to rank for keywords related to math games. What you do is to drop the keyword here and then search. So Ubersuggest has this feature under the keywords menu where you can look for keywords like here. Let's say keywords overview. You're going to click on that. It's going to bring this search bar in which you're going to type the keyword. So in this case, let's say the keyword we're looking for is math games, and we're trying to understand what the search volume around that keyword is in whatever country we're looking for, we're trying to rank for. So in this case, let's say in the United States, we want to see how many thousands or hundreds of thousands of people are searching for that keyword every month. And in this case, math games has 135,000 searches every month, which is quite high. So when you look at another thing nearby is the SEO difficulty. What this is telling us is that this keyword has all the search volume, but it is quite hard to rank for because this score goes from 0 to 100. Keywords that have a search difficulty closer to 0 are easier to rank for, while those that have a search difficulty that is closer to 100 are hard to rank for. So anything that is above 30, it's a bit difficult to rank for. Let's leave these other metrics for now and focus on these two. So if I wanted to create a web page to rank for this keyword and I saw this SEO difficulty, I will not go for this keyword exactly the way it is because it will be hard to rank for. But the good thing with Ubersuggest is that it can show me other related keywords to that one that I searched. And here we go. Math games, we saw that it was this search volume had a search difficulty of 60. And the good thing with Ubersuggest is that it classifies keywords in order of difficulty or search difficulty, how difficult it is to rank for that keyword. And in this case, it also shows us other related keywords to that keyword. So I can forget about that one and look for another related keyword that conveys the same meaning, but that is easy to rank for. In this case, I'm seeing math games that are fun with 18,000 searches per month, and it is having a very low search difficulty. So this one is going closer to 0 than the 60. Something like Math Game Prodigy, I'll forget about it because it's about 78 on the search difficulty scale. That's hard to rank for. So notice this one is 14. That is a good one. I can expand to view all. These are other keywords. Everything that is in the green is easy to rank for, relatively easy to rank for. And anything that's in the red, it's kind of hard to rank for. So the greens, I want to focus a bit more on the greens. And what you can do when you do keyword research like this, if you want to focus only on keywords that are between 0 to, let's say, 35 in terms of search difficulty, in terms of SEO difficulty, I can come in here and apply filters, which is a very good way to go about it in Ubersuggest. So this is this is it, so I can come in here. These are filters, SEO difficulty, I can say I want to focus only on keywords that are between 0 to 35, which are easy to rank for. And then ubersuggest is just going to classify all of those, you see? So everything that's in the green is relatively easy to rank for. It has made it easy for me, and I have all these keywords. What I can do is just to export this as a CSV file. I can export all these keywords and then create content around them. And when I create that content, I'm going to include these keywords in it. I could even start first of all by going for the low hanging fruit, like uh, keywords that are really low, very low search difficulty, SEO difficulty, like the sevens, for example. So I can focus first on these ones and I'll be able to rank fast and easy on my website. So this is how you do keyword research if you want to rank easily. And notice that this filter just made it easy for me when I applied this filter in terms of SEO difficulty. But if we went for the hard keywords, so 70 to 100, they tend to have a high search volume, but the problem is they are hard to rank for. Like this one, 49,000, and even math games that we're looking at initially at 41, at 131,000 searches per month. It's quite easy. It's quite hard to rank for, but it has a high search volume. So one thing you can do is to focus on keywords that have a low search volume. So let's just try another example like this. Let's go with math worksheets. So if you search that, let's see what comes up. That's another keyword that has, let's see, 33,000 searches per month. That's the search volume. And it's quite hard to rank for it, having 61 on that scale of difficulty. So there are a few other variations of that keyword or other related keywords that are in the green. So if I want to target just the keywords I'll find it easy to rank for, I will hit the easy SEO difficulties, those with a low search difficulty, and then I'll see all of these. And for what I'm seeing here, the lowest at 9 for this is fun with math worksheets. I see it at 1,900 searches per month, and it is 9 on the SEO difficulty scale. So it'll be easy sometimes to go for the keywords that are having, although the search volume is not that high, but it's relatively easy to rank for. So there are a lot of them here, and you can export this sheet and then create a content strategy around. So I hope you understand how to find keywords looking using this tool, research keywords looking for using ubersuggest. It's quite easy, and to find the ones that you can easily rank for. Another feature on ubersuggest that ties in with this whole question of keyword research is this menus, related keywords, question form keywords, prepositions, and comparisons. So ubersuggest also shows you related keywords when you search for your keyword. Related keywords that is everything that we found and all the suggestions. But we can also look for questions, how to print math worksheets. There are question forms of those keywords, and these question forms of these keywords tend to be suitable if you're doing like blogging, for example. If you're writing blogs around long tail keywords, you can also look at the question forms. You can also click on this and you'll find other suggestions and see if the search difficulty is that low. You see, math worksheets to print, math worksheets for preschoolers. There are a lot of other keywords. So you can look at other variations just by clicking on those menus. But I hope you understood how to use this tool to find keywords. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section.